can't overstate the importance. I mean, many times things kind of fade with time, but with today's cell phones and smartphones, you can take pictures on the scene. You can literally pull out your phone and record the party that you've had a wreck with. You can get a statement. They may not even know they're giving you a statement. When you get home, you can jot down notes. Tell the police officer about your injuries. Be clear and precise about what happened in the wreck. But as Matt may tell you, some things you want to wait and talk to your lawyer about.
Like?
Those are key elements anytime you're in a car wreck. Matt?
And be careful what you say, like on Facebook, about the wreck that you were involved in. Lynn, this is going to be hard to believe, but we handled a case where a lady died a couple of years ago, and the person who caused that wreck, the very night of the wreck, went onto Facebook and posted a picture of herself standing in front of a muscle car with an AK-47 in her hand. And I mean, what people put on Facebook is just ridiculous sometimes, but a good lawyer, I didn't do it, but somebody at our office did, found that. And let me tell you, that alone forced the insurance company to take that matter very, very seriously.
Oh, wow. What are some other don'ts? You know, obviously we've talked about the importance of documenting what's happened, but what are some of the other big no-nos in terms of when you're involved in a car or truck wreck?
It's hard to say there's any one no-no. I mean, the tendency at any wreck is to talk to the police officer. You tell the truth. You want to document in his records what you saw, what you've been told by the other parties. I don't know of many don'ts. I mean, some people say don't ever admit liability. You know, that's going to be a question really for the lawyers to decide who had the right of way, who failed to yield, who had maybe the last clear chance to avoid the wreck, was somebody contributory negligent in the wreck. So as an individual in a wreck, I can't really say there are no don'ts. I do recommend things: go to the doctor, go to the hospital if you're injured, follow up with your doctor if you're injured. I mean, there are more things I can recommend than I can say don't do. And Matt can probably suggest maybe a don't. Is there any one thing that stands out in your mind, Matt?
Don't try to handle it yourself.
Oh, absolutely.
Think about all the things that we don't handle ourselves.
Right.
You know, we're not going to have a heart surgery by doing it ourselves. You know, we're not going to try to build a house ourselves. So what makes us think that if we're in a wreck, we ought to try to handle that ourselves against an experienced insurance adjuster who does it every day, knows the pitfalls. So look, you get a free consultation with a lawyer. Find one, as Co said on that informational segment there, find one who knows what they're doing, have a free consultation, let them guide you through the process.